Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome to my channel. This is De'Belle Makeovers. Today I will be showing you a very simple method to draw your eyebrows using pencil. Before we get started, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to it now. Thank you. So we'll be using a brown eye pencil. I'm using David's eyebrow pencil. You can use any one that you can find. We start by outlining the lower part of the eyebrow. Then you move over to the upper part. For the beginners, there's a simple trick to know where to start your brows and where to end it. Just use your pencil or whatever it is you are holding to draw like an imaginary straight line from the beginning of your brows down to the edge of your nose. You will see me do that in a bit. Just place it down to know where you will start. Then you take it diagonally from that nose to the corner of your eyes upwards. Then you would know that that's where you should stop your brows, and then you look straight, and where your pupil is, that's where the arc of your brow will be. After outlining both the lower part and the upper part of my brows, I used my eyelash glue to brush my brow hairs and keep them in place. Normally I have a brow tamer that I use, but I couldn't lay my hands on it, so I used my lash glue. So you can use your lash glue, you can use your brow tamer. In fact, you can use soap. A transparent bar soap will do the trick as well. Just make sure that the soap is wet and you brush it in the way you would normally. Use only a little quantity, and after brushing it in, I just use the other end of my mascara wand to press it down. This is to like keep the hair in place, to make sure that it doesn't move throughout the day. Now I'll just fill in the areas where I have scanty hairs. Anywhere there is gap, I just fill it in. If your brows are already full, then you might not need to do this step. Next, I'll be highlighting my brows with Hellloooo concealer. I'll be using two shades, Fawn and Chestnut. Fawn is about 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, while Chestnut is my exact skin shade. So I'll be using the Fawn for the lower part of my brows, and I'll be using Chestnut for the upper part of my brows, as well as the beginning and the end of the lower part of my brows as well. And I'm doing this because I want it to blend easily when I apply my foundation. I don't want to have to spend time to blend and blend. So basically, it's only the arc area that will be highlighted when I'm done. I'll be using a fluffy blending brush to blend out any excess concealer when I'm done. If you don't have one, you can use your fingers for this step. So, have you liked this video yet? You've not? Please go and like it now. Thank you. And also leave a comment. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Let me know what kind of videos you would like to see here. Please share to your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel. Before you leave, please subscribe. Thank you. Also, please check out my page on Instagram at De'Belle Makeovers. Follow me. I'm also available for bookings. I'm based in Lagos, Nigeria, but I'm available to travel anywhere. I'm using the darker concealer shade for the upper part of my brows now. You can also use your foundation for this step. You have to take your time so that you can get a straight and precise definition. If you make mistakes, just go back and correct it and continue practicing till you get it right. I'll be showing you how I did the second brow as well. So if you've not gotten it this time around, keep watching. So we are practically done with our brows. The last step I'll be showing you is actually optional. I'm going to be applying a tinted brow gel. This is especially good for people with dark brow hairs, that the hair is darker than the brow pencil that they used. So it helps to give a uniform shade all over. And that's it for our brows. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give a thumbs up before you leave. Also leave a comment for me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.